Hello friends, and welcome again to my channel. It's Adeniyi, and in this simple video I'll be showing you how you can change your WP admin login using this little plugin right here. So change WP admin login is a plugin we'll be using to change the value of a WP admin. One of the benefits of changing the default login URL is the fact that it adds an extra layer of security to your website. Change WP admin login is a light plugin that allows you to easily and safely change WP admin to anything you want. This time you want to change that to a more private value. So it does not rename or change your files in core. It simply intercepts page requests and works on any WordPress website. So after you've activated the plugin, the WP admin directory and WP login.php page will become unavailable. So you should bookmark or remember the URL. So guys, I'll just go ahead into my website and show you how this plugin works. It's very simple to install and it adds some little benefit to your website if you care about protecting your website from brute force attack. So I'll just go right to my website now. You can see the website is available through the usual WP-login or through the usual WP admin login. So which is quite usual. Anybody that is coming to your website, they know for a fact that one of the best way to get access to your website is through the WP admin. So this particular page is a page that hackers target when they want to compromise your website. It's the first page that they target, and this is where they start the brute force attack is started on your website. So you want to add an extra layer of security by just changing the value of this page, so that at least you are making it a little bit difficult for people who are interested in compromising your website. You are making it a little bit difficult for them to achieve. So guys, I'll be showing you right now inside of my dashboard how you can just go ahead and use this plugin the very best way to protect your website. So we'll come from here, we come to plugins and click on add new plugin. So I just come right here. We are searching the WordPress repository now so that we can add the plugin to the website. So just come right here and search change WP admin. Okay, the plugin is right here, this one. So just click on that, install now. Activate. So guys, we now have the plugin installed on our website and activated. As you can see right here, it's right here. So the next thing is to go to settings, permalinks. Then from there, we can change the value of a WP admin page. As you can see right here, you can just change this to anything that appeals to you. For me, I'll say dashboard. Then you can just leave this as is. Then we can just go ahead and click on save changes. And as you can see, it says your login page is now here .com/dashboard. So guys, there you have it. If it's your first time on my channel, please do subscribe. Please do subscribe to my channel and also like my video. And if you have any further concerns about this particular tutorial, you can as well drop a line for me in the comment section. I'll try as much as possible to get along with you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in the next one.